Well, good morning YouTubers, and we're here for another video. This might not be as long as the other one, so you bear with me. This one is about the Dewalt battery packs on your Dewalt tools. You probably see me do a few videos trying to repair some of these, and it doesn't always work. And I've tried various methods of fixing them as well, so I'm going to go back to a couple of them and hopefully get them sorted out soon. Maybe get a couple of extra battery packs, but in the meantime I'm going to show you something on the battery charger that is nothing to be alarmed about, but you sometimes get it, especially when it's like this here in Yorkshire where it's -1 at the moment, and we have snow warning for later on today. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I mean. So there you go, little fan heater going, not in this big room like this big room. It's going to take a lot to heat that up, but here's the battery charger here, and here's the Dewalt battery. I'm just going to pop it in now, and obviously it's flashing at the moment, and the yellow light comes on, the amber warning. Now that does not mean it's going to snow. What that means is the battery's cold, because it's been left in the van overnight. So it's important, if you are trying to charge your batteries up, to get a little bit of heat going. This will go off very shortly, and it's nothing to be alarmed about. It is just telling you that the temperature of the battery is too low. So if you look at the guideline on the side there, it does tell you that if that light is illuminated, then the temperature, the battery temperature is quite cold. So you could just leave it off for a second and let it get some heat to it. So we'll come back to that in a minute. I'm just going to reposition my fan heater over there, and I'm going to put it over there in that room because I need to take this floor up here, and I'll show you what I mean about the battery. We'll put it back in and you'll see the light go off once it's warm. So I've given this battery 5 minutes. I moved it over here. Just flip my camera and we can show you. There it is, little fan heater going. Not that it's making any much difference in this building because it's bloody freezing, and there you go. Because there's some heat now, it's had a little bit of heat, the amber warning light has gone off, and that's, like I said, all that is to tell you that your battery is cold, and simply because it's been in the van over there. So, and like I said, it is -1, getting down to -3 on a night. So the batteries are in the van. It's a good idea to wrap them up in something, which I kind of did, but it didn't work. And there you go. So I hope that has answered a few questions for you on Dewalt batteries, or any battery really, because most chargers will tell you that the battery is cold, or it's cold, and all you have to do is take it out the charger and get some heat to it. Don't heat it up too long. It's like 4 or 5 minutes, if that, and gentle heat, or just bring them indoors for a while and let them get to room temperature, and you should be alright. Like I said, the battery over there is charging, so there you go. I mean, look how big this room is in here. I mean, it's massive, isn't it? Watch this. So we're taking all this lot out. The floor's coming out. There's another floor to come out there. But there you go. I asked the customer yesterday, taking those floors out over there. She went, yeah. I says, but you told me to leave the stud working, right? She said, yeah. I said, well, I need to take the stud work out to get the floor out because it's on top of the floor. Just like, so there you go. It's one of those things in the building trade, and you have to explain everything, how things are built structurally. So I've started on this side. There's a floor over here, and there you go. I've taken the stud work out, and obviously it's been built in frames there, so I've just piled it up there so we can reuse it if she wants to, because that's what she was doing. Trying to save some money on this job, that's what she's trying to do, so that's what the stud work's all about. But yeah, anyway, but there you go guys, hope you got something out of the video, a quick tour of the building as well, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching guys.